2. Day 2 here at Baguio City. Yeah, we're going to Igorot.
Saan kakalaki? Sierra Madre.
Ano sa inyo to? Ganyan din, mga benches.
Here at the mountain at Baguio City.
Sierra Madre ba ito?
Yan, kahinto. Kahinto muna. Baguio Eco Park. It's a kingdom. The Igorot Stone Kingdom over there. Wow. Okay guys, yeah, we're here now at the Igorot Stone.
Kingdom yan
We need to go up there. Yeah. Oh, meron bang bicycle? Ayan o. Ang galit. Meron doon o. May nagbabicycle over there on the top. OMG! OMG guys, we're here now at Igorot Stone. And there's a two there over there bicycling. OMG! A little bit so scared for that. OMG. Guys, there's a lot of people here. We need to go up there. And to see the Igorot Stones. Yeah! Guys, here we go.
Bili ka na, Mika. May ikaw, sakay tayo?
Ayan. We need to go there at the ticket book area.
Mabilis lang po yung rescue namin doon sa loob dahil mas maluwang. One cubicle lang po yun nandyan sa loob. Yung pinipilahan nyo. Kung may ticket.
Yahoo! Okay, ready na lang daw ang kamay. Woohoo! Yay! We're going up, up, up.
Mami, hawak ko na.
Mami! Baka may kamay ko.
Here we go.
Igorot Stone.
Up, here we go.
Yay!
Igorot Kingdom, here we come.
Here we come.
Pasok na tayo dito.
Go inside. Wow, wow, wow.
May payat to dati may mga
We're there. Hop it. Hop, 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 Erin. Yeah.
Sumalo.
CR lang daw.
Wow, there's another one.
Kasi ulit babalik eh.
Ayoko na yan. Ayoko na nang babalik.
Ano na inay?
Wala natin dito. Akbayan lang. Congress. Akbayan. Congress ka.
Okay.
Sure ka dyan, ma'am. Wala akong mabibili.
Oo, wala ka mabibili dyan.
Sure ka.
Sure, I'm sure. The white Carabao. There is the umali kayo. Igorot Stone Canal. Taas.
Saan ba tayo pupunta? Saan tayo paroon?
Saan tayo paroon? Ito. Saan nyo gusto doon?
Ikaw na. Pako. Dito mo tayo sa camera.
May performance doon, no? May performance doon.
Oh!
Dito, doon sa may ano.
Ay, meron nga! Mami! Iwan na ako lang.
Erin! Erin!
Mabitawan mo. Yun lang umaraw. Ganda na yung kulimlim eh. Pagod. Pagod.
Ayan, galing.
What is this?
Kaya naman pre. Ano?
This is scary.
Meron pa sila isa performance.
Yun yung pinansin talaga eh. No? Yung isa, gwapo eh. Oh. Yung isa, gwapo. Maganda pa yung katawan eh. Oh.
Hindi na ako sa wall.
Pwede ano pre.
Yeah, you had to give donations there. There's the basket for the donations. Let's go, let's go! Up, 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 up.
Up, up. Please don't pick the flowers.
Look mo, Erin, oh.
What the?
There's a big bird.
Here, around.
Dun, 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 dun.
Sophia,
Dun, 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 dun. Woohoo! What is this kind of bird? The siswi wheat bird. Messenger of the gods. Oh. Ano yun? Yahoo! Thank you so much guys for watching!